Hi guys, I had some free time, so I'll make an extra video for one of you guys who ask, "Hey Marks, make a video on how to make a YouTube channel." Alright, so I've been doing this for since 2006, August 8th, August 8th, August 6th or 8th, yeah, August 6th, I think. Anyway, it's my 12th year now. I just surpassed my 12th year. Yeah, so the most important thing if you want to start a YouTube channel, obviously just take your phone or whatever camera you have and start uploading videos. I think too many people get caught up on planning. All right, I'm gonna make this script, I'm gonna make it awesome, start getting some actors, maybe volunteer from their friends. I actually had a friend who did that. And then they wrote the script, they're gonna make a video. Time goes by, 4 weeks later, I asked them, what did you do? Nothing. 4 months passed by. I asked them, did you start your YouTube channel? Like, no. 4 years passed by. I asked them, did you make a YouTube channel? No. So I think the most important thing is start just uploading videos about things you're interested in. I think that's a great way to start. I mean, there's not really a secret formula, and sometimes, you know, those fun videos you made could go viral. You know, there's a lot of videos out there where today I actually saw the bear and his there was one black bear and two cubs, two baby bears, swimming in somebody's swimming pool, and they were jumping over the fence. You know, fun stuff like that. And then I think it had almost 1 million views. So you never know. Just do it for fun in the beginning, and then maybe some of your videos take off, and then go from there. You can go that way. But yeah, the most important thing is just really starting uploading videos. And a lot of people can't get past uploading their first video. All right, never mind first 5 videos, first 10 videos. So I think the hardest thing, you don't realize it, but the hardest thing to get started with YouTube channel is just making videos and uploading. Who cares about the quality? Just some fun things you see, you know, I'm sure everybody experiences some interesting stuff throughout their life. So whenever you see interesting stuff, you know, just take a video, start uploading. I think that's a great way to start. And also, if you're an expert in something, for example, you're a yoga instructor, I would start, you know, uploading lessons. All right, those are really good, especially like tutorials and stuff, because they live long. I wouldn't actually do tech. The problem with tech is that every year there's a new phone. If you don't have the budget to buy a new phone every year, you know, after a year, like Galaxy, for example, Galaxy Note 9 is popular. In a year, no one's gonna really look up Note 9. They're going to be into Note 10, Note 11. So one of the problems as a tech YouTube I've seen is that I lose views every year. So that's why I'm starting to stick with tutorials that could last, you know, 5 years, 10 years. You want to do videos that last a lifetime, and that helps your growth over long. But if you just focus on videos, products that come out now, and, you know, nobody uses it in a few years, you know, it becomes a problem as a tech YouTuber. So I don't actually recommend doing tech. I'm sure you guys are expert at something, whether skateboarding. You know, skateboarding, you could do a ton of skateboarding. Get one of those, you know, like a OnePlus 6 phone. You could do 240 frames per second and do some really cool slow motion skateboard if you know how to do tricks. Snowboard, any kind of sports. You know, there's a lot of topics you can cover. So start with what you're really good at, whatever it is. Maybe you're good at cooking Korean food. I'm sure a lot of people are good at, you know, especially if you're an immigrant, you know, or if you live in another country, you know how to make, you know, some certain kind of food. All right, or you can even go to your mom or grandma and be like, all right, we're gonna make a video, make them make the food, but you make the video. So there's a lot of creative ways you can you know, get started with YouTube. But don't worry about the money, don't worry about planning, don't worry about scripting, don't worry about making a movie. YouTube is about you tubing. And yeah, just start tubing, start uploading videos. That's all it is. Just like this video, I had an idea, somebody asked me a question, actually somebody asked me a question, and I was like, all right, I'll make it into video, and voila, I just upload it. Don't think too hard, grab your phone and start talking or taking videos of bears in the pools or lions. Actually, I just saw some foxes back there. I might start flying my drone and make a video of that. So just an advice, just get started, make a channel, start uploading, and you just get the ball rolling. All right, and then decide after you want to keep doing it or not. You got to really enjoy this, otherwise you're not going to do it. So I hope that helps, and if you have any other questions about it, I'm always open to answer your questions, so leave your thoughts below, and I always do lives and you can always ask me questions. So have a great day, guys, and stay hard on YouTubing.